Welcome back. Today, for the record, President Muhammadu Buhari's second address to the nation on COVID-19 pandemic. Why did they put like that for record? Why did they say for record? Because they don't say nobody they believe these people again. That is why sometimes they will bring out some kind talk so that I don't know whether not to deceive people the more. What do you mean for the record? So Buhari not supposed to address Nigerian people? The world leaders, 247, all of them, they come out national television. They address their citizens. Now, only Nigeria, when we see, every time things when they happen in that country, now different thing entirely to waiting some other leaders they do. The same place when all of us don't know say the place na Cuba, Havana, where the man they hide underground, now the same place that they show us today. Say the man they do is broadcast. Or the man, now the same place the man from the address Nigerian people. Not be Aso Rock. The world don't debunk APC people before. The world don't debunk Femi Adesina. The Oluwole master. Say that place when this man they do waiting in they do. Not be so Aso Rock be. And una do like say una all of una get deaf ear. All of una when they follow, they bring out this doctored video. Una they do like say una get deaf ear. And not blame una. Now the 200 million Nigerian people. When I blame. When they don't know say that revolution when Omo Elisho Wore, the champion for, the thing don't ripe. It don't ripe tay. Omo Elisho Wore when one wanted to come still punish for the second time again. I God strike all of una with this pandemic. God strike all of una with COVID-19. See today where all of una dey now, all of una they hide. See they do hide and seek to they bring out this man, this impostor. They show Nigerian people say Buhari won't do for the record. Buhari, President Muhammadu Buhari, second address to the nation on COVID-19. Anytime when una one plan evil against Showore, God they defend that man. Recently, now we see say the government of the day led by Abba Kyari. Then be they plan say they want bomb Showore. Before you know what they happen, God strike down Abba Kyari, strike down Osebanjo, strike down Femi Adesina, strike down Borata, strike down all these people. When get that back plan, say they won't go kill an innocent person. When they tell them say make them put the country in place. When not do una nothing. Today now who they laugh who? Now we go continue to the laugh una. Not only laughing at una. That revolution must to come. That division of the nation must to come. Whether una like amu, una not like amu, it must to come. Una they go ask foreign government them money. Money when una bank in Saudi Arabia, America, UK, Germany, different part of the world, including China. It don't reach una build that nation. It don't reach una put that nation in order. Today, una they go, they borrow crumbs from foreign nations. Una they go, they borrow crumbs from the World Bank. Money when una they tell us how una want take payback. Every time na borrow. Every time na borrow. But una they talk how una want take payback. That is why we they won the FG. Say one day Chinese will take over that country. And it don't they happen. Because of the same FG. Now he make our people when they China, they receive this kind insult where they receive today. Waiting FG won't do about that. Nothing. because they no see then they under the handpit of Chinese communist governments. Then no see then they under Chinese palm. They not fit do anything. All those one where they see say Bajamela, they can't do like say they go, they talk to Chinese man. All of them are comedy than the art. They not fit do nothing. Nothing to Chinese government. They know it very, very well. All those our brothers, when they humiliate, when they send out from hotel, out from their apartment, I say nothing when FG will ever do to Chinese people. In face of that humiliation, now these people, where they call the Chinese doctors, take land in Nigeria. That one never reached for them to send them back to China. No, because FG, they know what thing that they do with Chinese people. That is why they call on 200 million Nigerian people, make una rise up once again. Make una rise up because all of us, in fact, most especially those of our people home, now into problem, big problem, all of us are there with this APC government. Now Chinese people don't come now. They do their mago with the wuru so that then go they show na say na still Buhari. They empower this place now. When this man want to call saying Buhari, Buhari. The place now when he make this doctored video again today. Does it look like Aso Rock? Even that place where they don't claim say they don't go renovate when one look like this this place now when this man they in Havana. The same place where they do that thing underground hotel in Havana. Now the same place they still do this thing. They not change. That is to show you see, according to what the Mazen and the Kano don't tell the world, this man them, all of them they sick. All of them get problem. But the reason why when we say Nigeria still continue to they ignore this havoc when this people they commit against Nigerian people, we say now mad people full everywhere in that country. The governors, all of them, their head not correct. Ministers, their head not correct. The soldiers where we get, all of them don't compromise. Police, so the same. You talk about the opposition, oh, the same. All of them they inside the game. You talk about the red chamber people or people who they call the lawmakers, whereas not them be the lawbreakers. All of them compromise. House of Representative, aka House of Rep, all of them the same. Bajamela, all of them, their hand they inside. The same Jubiri matter because all of them the benefits. They prefer to crumble that nation than to come out, come tell us the truth. Including the people where they call the so-called journalists when they did there. I say channel television time don't reach when una go call that una Buhari make una give a job because he be like say that man na journalist him be not be president make una give a job in channel television. Now newscaster now the man don't turn to it's newscaster, so he's supposed to represent that man when they there when they propagate for him when they for channel TV. That one not be president, na newscaster in be. So the man don't come out today and can't claim say, and the Nigerian people don't they talk him again now say he don't they on record for Ona when no one hear word say Buhari don't come out again no make people not they talk say the man not they come out. I think what they tell Ona when the whole world they complain, people when listen to that is broadcast, then they claim say everybody they claim say they not hear nothing. That generator is still the sound in the background of that place when the Jubilee they do is broadcast. That noise when they did that they still there. The same coat of arm, the same two flag when they put there. For they show us the entire apartment where the man they stand. I mean the first broadcast when in do. Today now inside television they just flash and put. All these things will not fit deceive Nigerian people again. Even that his neck when in the show last time, you know, show him, you know, even they raise his face up again because in fact they don't do this one well now. They don't, you know, make sure see nobody they see that is the hole when they for the man neck. All this is not deceive Nigeria. It can say fellow Nigerians too in my address on Sunday, 29 March 2020. I asked the resident of Lagos and Ogun State as well as the Federal Capital Territory to stay at home for an initial period of 14 this, starting from Monday, 30th March 2020. Third, many Nigerian governors also introduce similar restriction. Why can't be say the man they always talk about this Lagos State, Ogun State, and the Federal Capital Territory? Now only there be the states when the whole country. I don't ask Channel Television last time, but they never fit come give us any answer, because we want to know the reason why they not call Kaduna State or Kano State or Adamawa State or Borno State. Why can't be say na only Lagos, Ogun, and the Federal Capital City that they call? Why are those states not there? Why all those northern territories they not there? Somewhere like Sokoto. Why can't be say na only these two places this man they call? As your democratically elected leader, which democratically elected leader? You are an impostor from Sudan. Stop bragging. Nobody vote for you. Even Senator Buhari in 2019, Senator Buhari, when everybody know, nobody voted for him. If not him day alive. But we know say na impostor dey there. Then na rig una self back to power. I don't tell them before, if I consider people when win that election, number one person na Omo Elesho. Not even PDP. PDP rig. APC rig. That's what the matter be. We made this very difficult decision knowing fully well it will severely disrupt your livelihood and bring undue hardship to you, your loved ones, and your communities. So, when you don't know now, say go bring difficulties to people's livelihood and things like that, and to their loved ones and to the communities, waiting can be the solution now when on a map out for Nigerian people. Nothing. Zero solution. Una go just there, they tell people, waiting some people no one here. You go to tell Nigerian people say, una no say na difficult situation, no, but una no bring out any solution to that difficult situation when una impose on innocent Nigerian people. We know the talk say what you are doing a bad thing, but una for put things in place for people. Most especially, give them that palliative one or they claim say una give them. Now, when we don't already know, see, all the whole people when they into power, when the APC people, they don't hijack the palliative. They don't hijack the billions one of the young say una give people. Nobody see nothing. The only things when people see na so Indomie and a piece of yam when some people carry. That one are billions of dollars when una they claim say una don't give. Then you go see some quarters they talk say the House of Rep and the House of Representative and whether they call that one the Red Chamber say all of them want to participate in that money when the government like say they never participated before. How no want to participate rich when we say oh every month when they carry 14 million plus put for pockets. Put for pocket, but to give Nigerian people 10,000 naira, could not fit. 14 million, but to share again the money when they claim say they don't give out to Nigerian people as palliative. Nobody see anything. This government and they very, very incompetent. Shame unto these people when they call themselves APC and PDP. All of them they play the game together. All of them are APC, the same PDP, and they go continue to do the same thing until when Nigerian people go learn lesson. That is why we tell them, I see, that issue of revolution now never still end. The division of the country, we continue to chant for the division of the country. We continue to chant for the freedom of Biafran people. We continue to chant for the freedom of Nigerian people in general. That revolution now, it never still, it not go any under carpet, ladies and gentlemen. The thing is still in place and must to happen. If it not happen, Nigerian government, they not go learn lesson. APC, they not go hear you. PDP, they not go hear you. That is why we still they talk about the same revolution now and the division of the country. Like I said before in the end of my video, both of them now the same thing. Only thing when we need now freedom. Revolution go bring that freedom. The division of the country as well go bring that freedom. So we have to stand up. We don't have to sit down and watch these people killing us every now and then. We don't have to sit down watching these people folding our hand, waiting for palliative when you no go get from now to 100 years. Palliative, not they come to your domot. Nothing. Nothing. In fact, this palliative alone don't reach people to stand up for this revolution now. They lock people inside. Now, this man, they talk, say, they know, say, it go dey hard for people to live. It go dey hard for communities and loved ones to live together, but they not bring out anything for the masses. They say, go inside your house and lock yourself in. These people, they are very, very incompetent. Lastly, however, such sacrifice are needed to limit the spread of COVID-19 in our community. They were necessary to save lives. Of course, we know they are necessary, but you're supposed to put something on the ground for your people. And this man, when contact this thing today again, ladies and gentlemen, this one another doctored video, like I said before. Even the first broadcast when they show now, it better pass this one now, because the generator not let people hear waiting this man they talk. The whole world they complain, say, who be this person waiting the man the yarn? They know. Now only writing, but now different thing when the man they read there. That is why we they tell them, I say, be like say, get one machine when they put for this man back, when just they speak. Not be that man when stand there they speak. So the matter be. So ladies and gentlemen, I say make una dey subscribe and make una not forget to share my video. I say revolution now be the time. This APC era. Now Nigeria supposed to change. I know say they pay some people for a year. Now so the matter be, we have to do what we are supposed to do. Whether they pay for some people for a year, whether they sweet them for a year, as with the nyanam, now so the whole matter supposed to be. This APC era, they are supposed to be division of the country and as well revolution now. Otherwise, Nigeria is doomed with APC and PDP. One love. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.